because you're not that bad at communicating. It's just that you want to be better. And I could help you. So I've helped thousands. Maybe I could help you too. There's only one way to tell, and that's to try it. So I'm offering a nonviolent communication, compassionate communication, whatever you want to call that, way of speaking and listening that's more likely to give you the kind of decrease of stress and increase of peace and connection and understanding and clarity that you've been wanting. And maybe it's just that one certain topic or that one certain person or that one certain moment, situation where you want that de-stress and to increase peace. Okay, let's do that. Join me in December. That's now, starting on Monday, December 9th, and we can see how we can proceed together. Yeah, this isn't rocket science. I teach you what you already know, and more access and ease and reliability in actually speaking your truth in the way that you want without blaming or guilting or shaming other people, just expressing yourself in a way that other people are more likely to hear you, because it'll be about you, not about blaming and complaining about them. So join me. I want you to be part of this growing world of peace and compassion and kindness and clarity. So join me, December 2024. It's now. Go to www.mairalight.org, like it says in my name there, and go up to the top. Well, there's different things you could do. There's a tab that says free tools or free resources. If you click on that, you put in your email and I'll send you the 3 tools, not rules of nonviolent communication. The within way, how to be with other people in a way that promotes and invites and welcomes connection, the kind of connection we want, yes? And then you can, the other tab says services. You click on that tab, it takes you to December introduction. So join me, come and, I'd say play, but there's learning involved. So maybe that sounds like work. We'll do it together. I'll be on the ideas of right doing and wrong doing. There is a field, as Rumi says, we'll meet there. So you can't do this right. You can't do it wrong. Let's do it together in a way that supports and welcomes and invites the kind of world we want to live in. Join me.